Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's video, I am featuring this cute little full flat box. So cute. Check it out. It folds flat. And it has an extra special little design. Oh, hang on, let me get that in. On the bottom. It's a little sticker. And let's see, I used the Layering Leaves stamp set. 2 different colors, ink, Lost Lagoon, Pretty Peacock. The die cut is from the Nested Essential dies. And the wee sticker there is from this sticker sheet that comes from the Everyday Happiness. So if you want to learn how I put this really cute little box together, come with me and we'll make it together. Okay folks, I have a piece of Lost Lagoon cardstock that is 8 1/4 inches by 7 1/4 inches on the long side. So on the 8 1/4 side, let's find that. Here we go, 8 1/4. I am going to, hang on, I'm just gonna move this over a little bit. I'm going to score at 1/2 inch. So move my cutting blade out of the way and score 1/2 inch, 1 3/4 inches, 6 1/2 inches, and 7 3/4 inches. Okie dokie. So we're going to spin it round. We're going to score at 1 1/4 inches, 3 3/8, 4 5/8, and 6 3/4. Okay kids, I'm going to fold and burnish all the score lines. I'm going to shade out the pieces that we need to cut. I'm going to cut them and come back at you with what you should have. All right, so that's what you should have. I wedged out the tabs here and the sides. So I have some a mat here. This is basic white, and I have Everyday Happiness for the Designer Series paper. And I am just going to, I'm going to pick the top here. Here we go. So I will give you the dimensions, but you can see that we're a little bit on the short side. And I did that for a reason, because I'm going to come in with a sticker from this paper pack. It's called Everyday Happiness. And there's a lovely sticker that comes along. So I'm going to put that on the bottom. All right, so we have the top and the bottom. Both of them are kind of the same. All right, so We have, this is the front and the back. It is 2 inch for the mat, 2 inches by 4 3/8. And the DSP is 1 7/8 by 4 1/4. These are 2 sides. The mat is 1 inch by 4 3/8. The DSP is 7 7/8 by 4 1/4. The top and bottom is, the mat is 2 by 1, and the DSP is 1 7/8 by 7/8. And you can find all of those measurements on my blog. If you're watching this on YouTube, you're going to find a link that will link directly to my blog page. And as you can see, it's a big box actually, and everything fits together very nicely. So as I said, I left the bottom a little bit empty, and it's because here's the sticker sheet, and I thought I would use this. Oh, I thought these were in half, so I'm going to cut this. I thought they were two stickers, but they are only one. So maybe, is this only one? Okay, I'm going to cut this little strip off. Huzzah! I think I like that better. All right, so the sticker sheets are extra. If you shop like a scrapbooker, you can get a little bit of an extra sticker sheet to help you do your art journaling or your scrapbooking, what have you. So I thought I would take this little piece here. Let's see where the back side starts, and just wrap it around just for a different decoration. And of course, if you wanted not to have a different decoration, then you would make your pages, or sorry, your mats and your DSP about 1/8 of an inch longer. All right, so as you can see what I just did there. Oh, I like that very much. It just grounds the whole kit and caboodle. All right, so there is our box. Here is, this is a piece of basic white that comes from the Nested Essential dies, the second from the smallest. I'm going to use Pretty Peacock. It's a little bit darker for the ink, and the stamp set I'm using today is called Layering Leaves, and I'm going to use the 4U. And actually, I really like the little splatters. And for the splatters, I'm going to use Lost Lagoon. Super cute. But then I thought I would put this little strip on there as well. I think I'll come in with a little bit more of my Lost Lagoon and just stamp some splatters there so it doesn't look so empty. Perfect. All right, so let's see here. There's the, I always know where the back is because of the where it attaches. So I really like that. It's a simple little box, really cute. I always like to go around too and trim off any little bit that I can feel. But that's a really cute little box. Check it out. And it will fold flat. All right, so you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section on YouTube or in the supplies section of my blog post. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments, for the thumbs up, and all the YouTube-y things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.